Alright guys, you're welcome to this channel. Alright, so trending now is the interview that singer Falz granted just yesterday. Now the popular Nigerian rapper artist Falz granted an interview yesterday concerning the allegation of VeryDarkmMan against him and his dad. Now you know how all of this thing started. We started with the Bobrisky saga of how VeryDarkmMan published a video. In that video, the voice of Bobrisky allegedly saying that Falana and Falz actually paid EFCC some money in order to obstruct justice to the advantage of Bobrisky. Now, when this became a sensation on the social media, Falana and Falz actually sued the VeryDarkmMan to the sum of 500 million naira in damages. Now, while all of this thing is still going on, the Falana's brought his interim application to the courts to the end that VeryDarkmMan should retract that defamatory video from all his social media pages, pending the continuance of the substantive suit. Now, while in the interview that Falz was granted, he was like, it seems that VeryDarkmMan actually wanted the litigation, that he thinks that it makes him some sort of superhero or something, because despite the order of the court via the interim application that they made, the VeryDarkmMan is yet to obey that order of the court, that the alleged defamatory videos are still on his pages. Despite the fact that even when he spoke with VeryDarkmMan, that VeryDarkmMan was all defensive, and without missing was that VeryDarkmMan said to him that he's a lawyer, he should go to court. Now, this whole thing is now sparking reactions on the internet, and I would like to hear your thoughts on this. What do you think actually is what is going on? Now, on the comment section to that interview, a lot of netizens were like saying that the VeryDarkmMan is wrong, that Falz and his dad are trying to throw their legal prowess or their legal weight against VeryDarkmMan. Alright guys, so I want to hear your thoughts on this. Like, what do you think actually of this whole thing? Like, if you watch that interview, you will discover that Falz actually he's not happy concerning this. Like, he's not happy because even you will not be happy that you are being dragged on the internet, on the social media, for something that you may know nothing about, or something that you may actually not have done, all because of some activity or some actions of someone out there you grab. So like, I want to hear your thoughts on this. Do you Me personally, I feel the pain of Falz and his dad, like being dragged in the mud, defamation of character, a character and the reputation that you have built over years, and just all of a sudden, with one video being published on the internet, it's about to be dragged to the mud. In fact, to the lowest level of shame. So, like, I actually feel for Falz and his dad, but at the same time, we are just waiting. Let's see the outcome of this case in court. Let's see the outcome of this case in court. In fact, I believe that the fact that VeryDarkmMan has not yet obeyed the order of the court via the interim application that Falz and his dad made in court, that it may be a case against him when the substantive suit actually goes on in court, because the substantive suit is yet to start. What the court have only ordered is based on the interim application that VeryDarkmMan should retract that defamatory statement, but he's yet to be, and I believe that might be a case against him. But let's see. Let's not judge ahead of the matter. Let's see when the hearing date is published, and I believe that every Nigerian will actually be interested in this case. Alright, so I want to hear your thoughts on this. See you next time on the next video. Bye for now.